guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I'm super excited today. This is going to be an awesome Mother's Day card. It is adorable and it is so easy, but it looks really hard, but it's not. So let's do it together. I found it on Creative Fabrica and it's called Pop-Up Floral Card Mother's Day card, and I'll leave it in the descriptions below. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and download the image, and we're going to upload it to Cricut Design Space. Okay, so when you download the image, there are several different SVG files. There's actually 5 of them, and each one of them is the same project, but it's just for different things. So the first one here is, it says fold card. That is if you just want to make it and fold it yourself. The next one is Cricut Score, where you want Cricut to score it for you, which is the one we're going to use. And the other ones are, this one is a personal project. Let's say you just want this design to use somehow for a personal project. And then I didn't look at the rest of them, but let's check them out together. This is just a rectangle. So let's say you just want to print it like that. That's an option. And let's see what the text is. Oh, okay, that's cool. That's text that you can actually add. This is really cute, you guys. So let's do this. I didn't even see this. We're going to do this too. So we're going to go ahead and upload this file as well. And let's get started. Okay, so we're in Cricut Design Space and we just uploaded these 2 images. So we're going to select them and hit Add to Canvas. You want to hit Ungroup, and then you want to select the line, and we're going to change that to a score. And then we select it and we hit Attach. Now this is going to score the card, and it is also going to go ahead and cut this image out. Now over here, we'll want to go ahead and hit Ungroup, and let's delete all of the ones on the top because we're going to use Happy Mother's Day. We can slide this over here and put Arrange, Bring to Front. I love how it fits perfectly. It was like it was meant to be. Okay, so that's so cute. That's even cuter now than the project before, which it was this card with no Happy Mother's Day. Now this is super cute. All right, so let's go ahead and attach it and hit, let's go ahead and select it and then hit Attach. We are going to insert a shape and do a square. We are going to unlock it and make this the same size, maybe a tad smaller, like this. And I'm going to drag it right here. Let's just make sure. Okay, and I'm going to actually do this in white. So let's go ahead and change it. And I'm going to add a purple background, or like a lilac color. All right, now we are ready to go ahead and hit Make It. On the mat, confirm. And for the first one, we need a score tool. And the next one is just a basic cut. Hit Continue. And select cardstock for intricate cuts, and let's load the mat and get it cutting. We're going to use these 2 colors, and let's go ahead and do the white one first, and we're going to place it on the mat. I like to use a mat that's a little bit dirty so it's not super sticky, because then your paper tends to stick to the mat when you're taking it off. So I have a new one, and then I have this kind of more used one that I like to keep used looking. Let's go ahead and tape it in all 4 corners. And we're going to change the tool to a score tool, and this is 01. If you can see that. Let's go ahead and place this in here. Insert the mat, hit the go button. Going to take it out of the Cricut, and let's go ahead and remove the tape from the sides. This is what we have. So we are going to turn it upside down. And I'm going to try not to hit the camera. But what you want to do is slowly peel it off. And it's going to be a little bit awkward because I'm trying to have my arm reached around the camera so I don't hit the camera. So we'll just slowly remove it. And I'm going to cut this the exact same way with intricate cuts. So we're going to go back to Cricut Design Space, select cardstock for intricate cuts, and cut it. And let's put the scoring tool away. I don't know if you guys, not to like switch topics here, I don't know if you saw the video where I did this. This is so easy. I hate that I say it's so easy all the time, but this really is. It's just a lot of cutting, it's a lot of repetitive work, but it's so cute how it turns out. And I'm not really sure how much you can see, but I love that it's organized. And if I remember, I'll leave the link below how I did it. So anyway, let's get back to what we're working on. So to start, I like to use a piece of scrap paper underneath. And the reason I do is because then I can try to get all the pieces on the scrap paper, and then I can just pick this up and dump it. Okay, so here is the score line. So let's go ahead and just fold this first. Okay. And we'll definitely need our little tool here, our little weeding tool. So what I'm going to do is just kind of poke some of this out. And what you could do if you, I don't mind, I rather take my time a little bit and just kind of pull some of this out than to have it on more pressure, because sometimes then you end up having it rip the paper. So this doesn't really take that long. I'm just going to go ahead, poke through. As you can see, it's just kind of, it's already loose. You're just kind of, poking it through. Okay, so we weeded everything, but these right here, we are going to fold up, and we'll do that at the end. What we're going to do first is attach this right here. And you know what? Normally I would glue it, but I'm going to see how this will look, because that'll make it a lot easier, less messy. And let's go ahead and just put a little bit of, this is Scotch permanent tape. Let's see here. And here. Okay, perfect. That was so much easier than gluing, you guys. All right, so then we're gonna turn it around. This is so cute. Okay, so here, what we're going to do is just kind of pull up. Let's see. Okay, so I would recommend, just so it's not difficult for you guys, to maybe just pull these forward a little bit before you glue. So isn't this so cute? It is adorable, and it was so easy to make. It looks hard, but it's not. It was so easy. So is this something that you guys might make? Leave a comment below, let me know, and as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.